Today I am in Mr. Bruner's F-150 Lariat Covert Edition. The backstory is I'm living in Mr. Bruner's old house, y'all. First time I ever met him was at the closing of the house. Great people, but then later buys a lot of his vehicles here at Akins. Gets everything done, accessory-wise, service-wise, etc. Buys from Keith Dean all the time. What a small world it is. So he's letting Real Deal do some Covert upgrades. I'm out driving his truck right now to make sure it is Willies Covert Edition legit. Let's go. Truck drives so much more confident, handles amazing as well. Back at the dealership now. I love the two-tone leather on a white Lariat. This truck is special, and y'all know that this is actually a BUBBA truck. This is the definition of a BUBBA truck. We're on stocks with many upgrades from the factory, but also many from us here at Willies at Akins. A phenomenal 14th gen interior with great amenities and creature comforts like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitor, the big 12-inch touchscreen, 360 camera, and more. Jim is going to love this one. He nailed it with this overall selection. F-150 Lariat leveled on 35s. An amazing combo right here, and this is a BUBBA truck if I've ever seen one, and I truly love it. This is amazing. So up front we did the ranch hand brush guard, which looks amazing, gives that brawny tough vibe. And when I first met Jim, he had a brush guard on his silver F-150 as well. Keeping the theme rolling with some nice protection up front with LED signature lighting, the Lariat chrome grille, a nice balance. Kept the factory 20-inch wheel, which I truly love, and 295/65/20 Nitto Ridge grapper. This is above a 35. This is like a 35.12 inches tall by 11.8 wide. We put the most legit level kit you can buy. Icon true coilover with a delta joint upper control arms. We actually dialed this up to about the 2¼ inch mark. So just know this is an adjustable coilover kit up front for that true nice ride height. And Jim wanted it to be slightly taller in the front, so the concrete's a little bit uneven. That's exactly what we did for him today. Out back you get Icon 2.0 aluminum series shocks, high pressure nitrogen charged wheel well liners in the rear too. You got to put wheel well liners on a white truck, especially to clean everything up. Cam locker is one of my favorites. Love the top rail as well. Just a premium toolbox to fit that BUBBA truck vibe. You got the black on black with the stocks. Amazing, y'all. Let me know what you think. Out to wild scale, we're in that mid-level range. We're sticking out right at 1.5 inches. I think is a perfect balance for 35s on a level kit with a premium ride quality that he's truly going to love. A white truck, to me, done up tastefully, is one of the prettiest out there. A typical white truck, the stock looks mundane and work truck-like. This truck here screams nice and elegant Covert Edition upgrades. If you're debating where to take your truck for everything auto, it's in one spot. Akins Ford and Willies and Winder. And your boy Real Deal is here to make the dream come true of making your vehicle more unique for you so your everyday enjoyment is at its peak. This story is just truly special. Me buying Jim's house and then getting to reconnect with him over the years. His son Hunter as well, a great guy. Love the family, love everything about him. Go to Planet Smoothie on the Epps Bridge over here in Monroe for the best smoothie around. He'll hook you up. And again, thanks so much for watching, y'all. Another diamond rolling out of here today. BUBBA truck Covert Edition for a great guy. Peace out.